Now let us discuss 1, 2, 3 question. Which one of the following has maximum number of atoms? Here they are asking, among the given 4 options, which option contains the maximum number of atoms? We know that how to calculate the number of atoms in a given element. We know that the formula, number of atoms of that element or molecule is equal to 1 by atomic mass of that element or molecule into Avogadro number. We know that Avogadro's value is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Shooting of above given options in the given formula, this is a lengthy process. That's why here is a simple trick is present that here we observe the given formula, the number of atoms of that element or molecule equal to 1 by its atomic mass. That means which element or molecule contains least atomic mass that have more number of atoms. Which element contains the least atomic mass that have the more number of atoms? Now let us verify the given option. Here among the given options, least atomic mass is lithium. Here least atomic mass is 7. The highest is silver. According to the concept, which element or contains least atomic mass that have the more number of atoms? Here least one is lithium. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer.